To set up Datum Point, we want to pick a position in front of the paint guns as our target. In this example, we'll use the front of the truck. Our Datum Point is going to be 22 feet ahead of the paint guns, and we'll enter that datum length here. Once we have our datum length set, we want to go back into our quick setup menu and ensure that the feature is on and active. Now that we've got Datum Point turned on and our distance set, we can go ahead and get ready to shoot that first skip. If you notice in the example, as we come up on this first skip that we want to restripe, we're going to go ahead and turn the start switch on now as the front of the truck passes that line. The truck will then move the 22 feet before that applicator actually comes on and shoots the skip.
This feature is standard on all of our new systems. This is just one of the ways that Skipline is engineering for your success.